Eggs floated. Right, new in the team is what I mean. New in the team for 25. So that's Emerton's second round buy-in from last year because it's got its purple clip. And she is GB24B. So that's a nice Emerton Scott bird. If you're out there, Richard, give us a shout. Haven't heard from you in a while, lad. Hope you're keeping okay. This should be the Emerton distance stuff, or rather it's Mr. Scott. Good girl. And you started another wee clip on there, darling. Anything to me. You know what you want to see. Nice little bird. So these are the ones that come in mid-season, floating around the loft, never been in a basket. Look out for that one. Right, I see one of last year's warriors. Let's go and have a look at it. $5087. I think she did a little bit. I don't think she did the whole thing. But you survived the season here, didn't you? Got your nice pencil tail. Just put a little red clip on you because you'll be on the screw. On the screw. Factual, get out of there. Mr. Mealy's little squab down there. And fair play to him, he's wing flicking rats over coming too close. Wait a minute, darling. Wait a minute. They've had a little baby, these pair, and are now sitting up in a little cheeky chini. This is short legs, we like that, don't we, dear?
Well done, you little bandit.
Chasing off that horrible dog. Anybody used to go on about the short legs last year? They like the short leg ones. I say grand rule, we like short leg ones. 5087 on the ETS. Look, hello. Yes, we do recall I did like my dark checkers last year. Another one of the Cape Crusaders, a nice dark checker there. Sorry, darling, I can't remember what you did. 5047. They're better from last year. They handle a lot better now because they leave them alone. They're a bit feral. Well done, darling. That's a nice weighted wee bird. So they've just about nearly been hawked, or just about to go and moult. 5047. Check. Now, this bozo is around every shed in the garden. After every hen I've got, I can't pin anything down. And he is, I think he's an Emerson. Yep. This is a Richard Scott Emerson Grizzle. Bought in mid-season last year. Tidy enough wee man, but cannot get a woman pinned down. So I might do one bird at a Widowhood, which might be him. And we'll Widowhood him out of the Hexagon summer house across the street there. What's your number, darling? Little man. GB24V 90548. 90458. One of the last dares, Warrior 5102, paired to 5087. There's a sturdy big boy. He's a big lad. 5012. Ready to go again, lad, aren't you? Ready to do all again. And he's sitting up there on his dummy egg. Good boy. And this is what I mean by multi-youngsters. Oh, born in the year 2000. One of these year's youngsters. Fully in the neck molt. Nice behind, son. So that's why, yes, I don't rush them through. I don't rush them through. You can sit about here till June and molt right through. Oops. Yeah, you've not been handled much, my fella. SU 25 2000.